How to download and install CoinGecko mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can download and install the CoinGecko app. Now, to do that, first step is to pick up your device and head over to your Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, you go to your App Store. So after launching your Play Store, move to your bottom right corner of the screen and click the search icon. Then in the search box, type CoinGecko and then the app will be displayed. This is how the app looks like. Then once you can see the app displayed this way, click the install button and then the downloading process would begin. Just have to wait for the app to be fully downloaded, and once it is done downloading, it will install automatically by itself on your mobile phone, as you can see on my screen. To start its installation process, and once it is done installing, all you would need to do is to just launch the app, create an account, and start making use of your CoinGecko app. So it is as simple as this. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.